that you want to give, what you want to give to the global investors here, and also want to take home about Assam's potential?
No, you are correct that we are coming to World Economic Forum Davos for the first time. Assam was never there, but for the first time we are here. We want to send a message that Assam is now a emerging state, emerging economy. So when you are thinking of investing in India, you can consider Assam as one of the destination. Assam is now officially we are the fastest growing state in the country. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has released the data, and it's clearly established that Assam is growing speedily, rapidly, and in fact, we are on the top of the chart. So, there are many reasons why people will come, people will invest in India. Yesterday also, IMF has revised the growth projection of India above 7%. So, I mean, within India, I think that time has come that people go to the diverse state, diverse region, and harness the potential of that region also. So I think Assam will be able to give a good platform for investment. So that will be our message, that come and explore Assam.
So you also plan to sign several memorandum of understanding during your visits, and I believe you are going to have several meetings. Can you tell us about the MOUs, the meetings that you're going to have, and how do you ensure that this translates into job creations back home?
Recently, last year, we have done our Advantage 2 Summit. During Advantage 2 Summit, we signed MOU around 5 lakhs crore. And almost 3 lakhs crore investment amounting to 3 lakhs crore has been grounded. Already work has started, people have taken land, and all these are in progress. As a corollary to that, certain new proposal has come. If a industry has initially gone to Assam to set up a solar plant, now they are saying that let us do PSP also, pump storage project also. If an industry has gone there to do certain things with bamboo, now they are saying that no, let us convert bamboo to ethanol, bamboo to methanol. So these visit, our entire MOU will be focused on green energy and new energy. So we are other kind of investment we can sign in India also, or that's a routine exercise. But here the palm storage project, which Assam provides a unique opportunity, so that is one area. So conversion of bamboo to methanol, that is another area. I think we are going to sign MOU almost close to 1 lakh crore in this during my stay in Davos.
Wonderful. So are we also expecting something on semiconductors?
Yes, so I am going to speak here on tourism also. Semiconductor, we are having a good meeting tomorrow. Along with Tata, we are lining up we are meeting semiconductor ecosystem. There are a lot of interest on Assam because with Tata being there, ecosystems is gradually being developed. So tomorrow we are meeting leaders of the semiconductor industry. Although nothing specific on table, but interaction, once we interact, I think things will move.
And so are we also expecting something on tourism sector? Because
tourism, you see that tourism, we have lot of investment offer for hotels, homestay, lot of things are there already on card. In Davos, I am not signing any fresh MOU, but going back to Guwahati, we have lined up a few MOU for setting up 5-star hotels in Guwahati and Kaziranga.
Wonderful. So Assam is also the gateway to the entire northeast. How do you plan to ensure that economic growth here delivers balanced developments for the entire region, not only Assam?
You see, we do not see Assam in isolation of Northeast. Because when something happen in Assam, we are so interconnected that you cannot say that this is for Assam and this is not for Northeast. Like when Tata sets up semiconductor industry, it may be geographically in Assam, but it has to be for all northeastern state. So Guwahati being the gateway of northeastern state, the entire talent pool of the region, they comes to Guwahati because all other states are hilly and there are certain difficulty in setting up certain kind of industry because they are more on green, they are more concerned about ecology. Certain things are not happening in hill state because of biodiversity, because of ecology. But Assam provides that opportunity because we have lot of land in the plain area. So Assam provide that ecosystem or opportunity to the youth of entire Northeast. So if I can bring 1 rupee to Assam, you can also say automatically that 1 rupee goes to Northeast.